How do you set the phone? Just scan for a fingerprint even when the phone is off on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down, then tap on biometrics, then tap on fingerprints. In here, put in the current PIN, then tap on continued. So I'll try again with the correct PIN this time. After that, we go down and tap on fingerprint always on. So tap on it to switch it on. Then, now even when the screen is off, you can just simply put your fingerprint on the fingerprint reader to unlock the device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.